in the morning, police at my door. Would've seen them niggas coming, but the cameras is broke. My nigga Ant in the kitchen cooking up for a week, and my little homie Pooh on my mama couch sleep. We cooking bass, we cooking bass. We cooking bass, we cooking bass. 50 grams on the table, a key in the couch tuck, and it's time to break it down cause everything getting flushed. Looking out the window, trying to find a way out. Seen the SWAT team creeping on the side of the house. They threw a canister through the window and shattered the glass. So I went into the closet and put out my gas mask.
Let's get funky, let's get funky. Let's get funky, let's get funky. Let's get funky, let's get funky.
And I'll die before I go back to jail. Tell them niggas this is nigga, fuck the cops. They supposed to have my house surrounded, but it's not.